Here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres, materials wetted. The white that you're seeing there, sometimes is light reflection. I've just gone in a bit closer so you can get a better idea of the pieces. Nice little stone along the side there, reasonably flat. This piece, purples, blues, a little bit of green fire down on the bottom there, picture stone. This piece is a bit more undulating, but maybe if you cut it off through here, you'll end up with a flatter stone. The other piece just thrown in, it's pots really. This could be cut into an interesting pattern piece in the middle. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.